is going on, everybody? Michael Lewis Hudson. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, what we do on this channel is to do fitness and athletic reviews to make you a better you. And today I'm going to be giving you guys a 30-day update on my new favorite piece of cardio equipment, the Peloton Bike Plus. So to rehash a little bit from my last Peloton video, I basically did a full unboxing and review on the Bike Plus, so make sure you hit that link card above if you haven't seen that video already. I was just giving my first initial thoughts on the bike. I used it for a good 30-minute workout, and I was very, very impressed with it, and I ranked it probably one of the highest reviews I've ranked on this channel. As you can see here, I'm a little sweaty, just got done doing a 30-minute climb with the famous Sam Yo. So I just wanted to make this video to give you guys somewhat of a 30-day update, what I've discovered so far, what features I like, what features I don't like, and if you guys are still on the fence of buying a Peloton bike, hopefully this video will help you make the right decision and answer any questions that you have. So to give you guys a kind of a brief overview of what happened in the last video is that basically my wife surprised me with this for my birthday. We ordered this on June 1st, even though my birthday's May 2nd, but yeah, who's counting, right? We purchased a bike for about $2,500. They delivered it within 5 to 6 weeks, and I absolutely loved it. From the moment I stepped onto the bike, I was just completely impressed with it. Not only the quality was top notch, but everything about it was just amazing. You know, what I love most about this thing is that the classes were just absolutely great. Going to the classes here, and it's all separated by different types of topics. So you can search it by instructor, you can search it by length of time. Usually it's going to be anywhere between 5 to 90-minute intervals. You have the music genre, so if you like country music, they got something for country music. They have it all. It's also split by class type, and that's what I really love the most, because there's some days where I just want to take it a little bit easier than the other days. So 2 to 3 days a week I'll do some type of climb or hit training, and then the other days I'll do some type of low impact or just your standard spinning class. But don't get me wrong, I mean, each class, even though I say some classes are easier than others, all of them are pretty challenging, and they're pretty good at getting you to give it your best effort. And again, I'm not sponsored by Peloton, even though that would be pretty cool. I'm just a fitness YouTuber making a YouTube video on the Peloton bike because I'm just such a huge fan about this, and I think everybody should have the opportunity to try this or even purchase one of these bad boys. So 2 of the coolest features that I've noticed on the bike so far is one, the auto follow option. And basically what that is a little tiny lock button near the bottom of the screen. And when you press that, it's basically gonna adjust the resistance for you. Sometimes you can be a little caught up with other things, catching up on a leaderboard and with other riders and listening to the music and things like that. This option is gonna automatically adjust it as the instructor makes the changes during the workout. And for me, I find it very beneficial because, you know, there's times where I just forget to turn that damn knob, and, you know, I want to increase the resistance, and by the time I do that, I'm a little bit behind and I don't have enough output and I'm just falling behind like crazy. But if you do have the Bike Plus and you don't know about that feature, you're welcome. Oh yeah, guys, before I talk about the additional feature, make sure you add me on the Peloton network. I'm Michael L. Hudson. Just add me on that and we can join some rides together, baby. Other additional feature has to be the leaderboard. I'm telling you guys, this is probably the single-handedly best invention that was ever added to a piece of cardio equipment. I mean, you have this leaderboard there, just inspires you and motivates you throughout the entire workout. You know, for example, if you do a 20-minute ride, you see your past 20-minute ride there, and you have your past score, and you're working like crazy to bike and move your feet and try and beat that record every single class that you join. What I think is pretty neat as well is that you can give virtual high fives to people, so you have people from all over the world joining the classes as well, and at any point during the class you can press their icon and that will send them a virtual high five. And I think it's pretty cool because at the end of the day, even though we're not in the same physical room together, we're all together in the same class virtually crushing it. So another great thing about the Peloton bike is that, you know, I've been getting crazy gains on my legs, and also I've been losing quite a bit of weight. You know, in this month alone, in the 30 days, I've lost 30 pounds. Look at your boy, man. But anyways, cardio gains are getting crushed, baby. So if someone was pointing a gun to my head and I had to say a bad thing about the bike so far, I would say that the handlebar and the screen gets a little loose at times. When Peloton delivers the bike, they do give you some tools that you can keep. So when something like this happens, basically when the handlebar is loose, what you want to do is just grab the Allen wrench that they give you and just stick in these holes here and tighty, righty, tighty, baby. So if you're brand new to the Peloton game, you're still trying to figure out your bike and things like that, and you're watching my videos and things of that nature, figuring out your bike and you're just really just feeling it up. That sounded so weird. You're just feeling out your bike and you're just getting used to it and things like that. Here's a bonus feature for you guys. You just move this bad boy here. And so that's great because, you know, a lot of the other classes that they have is yoga, stretching, full body workouts. They just offer so many different types of classes. So it's very easy to just move this screen. Your little swivel screen here, here's your workout area. You can do yoga, you can stretch out, you can do your full body workouts and things like that. Let's go. As far as the rating goes, I'm gonna have to keep it the way it was before. It was like a 9.5 or something like that. High marks, love this thing. I use it almost every single day, and I hope you guys, if you decide to get one, I hope you enjoy it as well. Also, you guys, comment down below. Let me know if you like videos like this. If you want me to keep doing videos pertaining to the Peloton, if you want me to do something pertaining to the features or another 60-day or 90-day update, comment down below and let your boy know. As always, you guys, I leave special links down in my description, so make sure you hit that special Peloton referral code down below. It's gonna give you $100 for free to apply to any Peloton accessories when you purchase either the bike or the treadmill. So with that being said, you guys, that is it for the video today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe button so you can be aware of all the new content that is posted on this channel. Also, hit me up on Instagram. I post on there almost every single day. All right, y'all, stay blessed and keep crushing it, my friends.